day of Hurricane Michael, the roar of the wind was unbelievable. The steeple from the church had gotten blown off and was just in the ground. Every tree around us lying on the ground. Standing seam roofs that are made to take 200-mile-an-hour winds are just peeling back. It's not something I'd ever experienced before. The next day, we're all gonna try to get home. First thing I'm thinking, is my Generac gonna work? I come inside, everything's on.
Not only did I have a house to come home to, but my house had a Generac and I had electricity.
All of my freezers were working and I was cooking stuff, not only for me, but for like linemen and just anybody out there helping.
We were blessed with a house with a Generac and we became a blessing to other people.
I can't even put a price on how much the Generac helped us after Hurricane Michael.
Hey everybody, it's Adam. Don't forget, click the button below, send us your information for a free quote.